Well, hey again everyone, Bob from Hot Rod Central, and I got to talk a little bit loud here because my inverter is running at 60% and the fans are sounding like a jet engine, so I hope you can get what I'm saying here. Alright, I wanted to show you today what having extra panels on your system that you can switch in when you need it will do for your system. And right now I'm running let's see, about almost 4,000 watts on my inverter there, and the drain on my battery is a little more than 35 amps. And right now my panels are kicked in because the sun is behind some clouds. Now I want to show you what difference removing 18 panels from the system does as far as how much it draws off the battery. Alright, so here we go. Turn them off. Alright, they're all off now. Alright, so you see now I'm minus almost 60 amps compared to what I was minus before. So having those extra panels in there makes quite an improvement on how much power you get out of your chargers. So anyways, I just wanted to show you a live demonstration of how all that works, and thanks for watching. See y'all later.